Hello?
Baby, where have you been? I've been calling you since morning. You haven't answered my phone even once.
See, I already told you there's nothing left between us. Don't call me. Stop calling me.
Please, baby, you don't say that. No, please. You have to give me one more chance. You can't just run into a conclusion. You have to give me a chance. You have to give this relationship one more chance.
I can't take this. I swear I can't take this anymore. I swear one more call from you and I swear I'm gonna block you. I block you.
Yeah, what did you want to talk about?
Actually, I wanted to talk to you about Daksh.
Oh yeah, I heard about you too and I'm sorry it didn't work out.
He's not even ready to listen to me,
Well, actually Shimona, it's not my concern, but Daksh has already moved on in his life and I think you should too.
Wait, what? 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 You're saying Daksh has moved on? He can't do that to me. That's not possible. You know what? If he has, I'll really mess up his life.
No, I didn't mean that.
Listen, I don't want to listen to you anymore. I'm going home.
This is a story of a girl who's stuck in an old relationship and she's expecting her ex to come back. Let's see what happens in the flip side of the story.
Hey, hi.
Hi.
I'm sorry, but are you free? There's something really important I need to discuss with you.
Yeah, tell me.
I had words with Daksh today, and he told me what's going on between you two and how you are reacting to things.
Ruchika, I don't know what to do. I really love him and I miss him. And I'll just win him all over.
Listen, I have known you guys for a very long time, and I know it's not gonna be easy for you, but he's not coming back to you.
Ruchika, why would you say something like that?
Because I had words with him today and I could see how happy he is in his current life. Dear, you need to understand that he will never come back and you have to move on in your life, or else you'll just keep on wasting your time and effort even in the future.
I can't do this. I really love him. I can't leave him.
Yes, I know, but you need to love yourself even more now and move on in your life. Be the girl I have always known you for. Maintain your pride. You cannot stoop down to this level for a guy.
You know what? You're right. I'm not promising you anything, but I'll really try to move on,
I'm glad, but please always remember I'm there if you ever need to talk or you need to discuss anything. I'll be always there.
Thanks, yeah.
I'll call you later. You take care. Okay? Bye.
Bye.
Separations are never easy, especially when you see your ex moving on happily. This is the time you lose out on your self-respect and pride. It's high time you should understand that self-respect and pride is bigger than a relation which is already over. That's it for this story. See you next week. Khuda Hafiz and stay positive. If you are facing any psychological or relationship problem, then you can join our group by the name Nijo Positive. It's a community counseling group wherein you can discuss your problems and people will try to solve or give support with positivity. Link is in the description below. Bye-bye.